Here is the front yard. As you see, all the trees need to be cut back and tidy up. And the noisy road, the train, very noisy. And this is our fruit trees. One of the fruit trees, the baby fruit trees coming up. And then very noisy road. Very windy. That's why we set up this barrier to cut down pollution, cut down the noise. It needs to be cleaned up properly all around the vineyard. And then here we can clean up here and plant another trees. And then another one here, set up properly, another one. Also from here, we can rebuild this area to set up another 5,000 water tank that we are planning to. We're waiting for the neighbor to fix up the fence first, and then we can rebuild the area. The downpipe is just here. You see, and then here we are planning to do the cleanup all around it. Then you can plant 3 or 4 trees, fruit trees or nut trees or small plants in between. It's a very good area, very good sunny position. And then this is the gumdrop tree. You can see that, pretty impressive. We cut back a lot also. Now in the middle you can see that it is a fig tree we planted recently, and now it's doing well. And then likewise here we can also clean up here a bit more to allow the fruit tree to be here, another plant in between. So this is also a good area to set up. So that's our plan for the vineyard.